music is addressed to my people, especially to make them more curious about where they came from and their own identity and pride in that identity.
Hey guys, it's your girl Rogue, and I am back with another gardening tip or how-to. Today we are building my greenhouse for inside my house because it is winter right now, so we're going to get started with some seedlings. I will post a picture of the greenhouse that I have right now. Excuse the pink sparkly bonnet. I just did a treatment on my hair, so your girl has to keep it protected and covered, okay? And also excuse the noise that you hear. This is the only time that I have to record, and my gardeners are outside of my apartment blowing leaves, okay? But we have, I told you I will post the link down below and a picture of the greenhouse that I purchased. These are not sponsored links. They are for Amazon. But I did find a greenhouse today that actually had another shelf, and I believe it was only $6 to $10 more than the one that I purchased, so I will post that link there also. So first things first, I remove everything from the box. Everything is actually in bags and it's able to separate easily. So I just put everything out so I can see what I'm working with and find the directions. I pull the cages out last because they are huge. The instructions are fairly easy. It's only one page of instructions. So according to the instructions, I make the levels one at a time. So there are 3 bars that go to each level. Now on each side, you're going to see that in the middle, they have 2 holes. Place them in the top hole that lines up with the other 2 holes that are on either side of it. Now you don't even need a hammer or anything. I just push it down, brace it and push it down with my hand, and it snaps in shut, like gets really close. I put the wheels in first before I did another level. The instructions actually say to do all the levels, then the wheels. Yeah, I'm not doing it. It makes more sense and it's much easier for me to put the wheels in now so I can spin it and turn it how I need to. You're going to get the sharp bars, and those are going to be your level extenders. So just continue the process. Now you'll see here that I actually made the level on top of the other one. That wasn't the best choice. You actually make the levels individually and then place them on top of each other. And I guess if your hands aren't as hard as mine or as weighted as mine, you can get a hammer, but I didn't need that. So now I'm making the next level, and this goes pretty fast. You just put the levels in together and put them to the side, and then you can put all 4 of the levels on there together on top of each other. If you all have any greenhouses of your own, send me a message on Instagram or Facebook so I can check them out. Tag me in a post, or you can tag the Rogue Gardener, hashtag the Rogue Gardener, and I will see it. I always like to go to the Rogue Gardener and see what everyone's posting on there. Also, hit me up on all of the social media. Let me know what you are growing for this spring season that's coming up. I have a list of about 20 to 30 plants that I'm doing this year. Most of them will be given away, and it's spread out over the entire year that I'm going to be doing these. But I just can't wait, so this is why I'm starting a little early to do this. I actually wanted to do it in December, but I felt like that was way too early. But I cannot wait to get my seedlings started and to see them grow like they're my own little children. Now, once you have the 4 normal levels or the 4 flat levels together, you're actually going to add in another level of the brackets that go on either side, and this will be for the top of your greenhouse, the part that makes it like a little house on the top. That's what that is for. And they give you 2 of those. You just snap them into place just like you do with the other ones. They fit right in, And trust me, these things do not come out. I messed up and I had to try to pull it out and put it in the other way, and it was so hard. But they snap in really tight and they are a good fit for each other. You take your plastic, I decided to unzip it a little and then slide it over. That was the easiest thing for me to do, because if you do it while it's zipped, it's going to be very, very difficult to get it over the top and to come down. But once you have it over, you can just pull your zipper straight down and it fits very snug like a bug in a rug. I like to remind people also, when they're putting this on, it's plastic, so make sure that you don't have anything hanging on the side that can rip your plastic, because that just defeats the purpose of the entire greenhouse if you have a hole on the side. Okay, so if you're not going to add the grow lights like I am, then right here, this is your ending point. You are good to go. This is your new, brand new, spanking new greenhouse. And I think it's so cute. I thought it would be a little bit taller, but I think it's adorable. And my kids are gonna love it. Now I'm gonna post a video right above here to how I'm going to add my grow lights onto here so that I can, plug it up, make sure that even though I have a natural light source here, my grow house will be here on this wall, so I can actually have enough lighting, and how I add my heating pads. So watch the video that just showed up here and come back. I love you guys. Thank you for joining me today, and find a reason to smile as always. If you enjoyed this video from Main Cuisine, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Also, hit us up on all of our social media. Comment, let us know what you want to see from us, because this channel is for you. Bye, cousins.